Well, good afternoon. My name is Mohammed. Welcome to MK Community Brokerage. In this video, I'm going to show you about the MTA Physical Test Police Screening. Now, if you're planning to become an MTA police officer, they do a physical test. The physical test is usually located at NYPD Training Academy, 133-3028th Avenue, College Point, New York. I have the driving directions in the next slides, but this one I just going to show you what it is. So basically, before you do the test, the application, they want you to have three things. They want you to bring this letter. They need this letter. Bring a copy of the release form with regards to the MTA. There's another form that you have to get it notarized, and there's a form that's a medical form. You have to go to the doctor stating that you're in current shape and everything's okay. Basically, you need to complete these three forms and take it to the MTA. Take it to the place where you can do your physical fitness test. So make sure the forms are completed to the test site when you bring it there. Make sure everything's correct. Make sure you have no problems. Obviously, make sure you bring your ID with you, and if you obviously to let them know that you're going to go there for confirmation. Just email them at this employment department at mtabsc.org. Obviously, include your first name, last name, and applicant ID number, and you'll receive a confirmation within 3 business days saying that you're confirmed, so that they can have your name listed in there when you go there. They don't have any lockers or anything, so make sure you have your bring a small bag with you with the water bottle and everything. It will be a long day. Everything else, so make sure you have that. Make sure you wear sneakers and and gym attire, like for example sweatpants, shoes, sneakers. Don't bring boots or anything like that. You can't get disqualified for that part. So basically, the physical screening test is simple. They're gonna make you do sit-ups. There is a 300-meter sprint, a push-ups, and a 1.5-mile run, obviously. And there's also that's it. These are the 4 things that they're gonna do. So the sit-ups, you have to do obviously 38 sit-ups if you fall into this age category. So you can see these are some of the age categories for male and female. If you fall, let's say, between 20 to 29, you have to do 38 sit-ups in 59 seconds. I'm sorry, 38 sit-ups in 1 minute. I apologize. 1 minute you have to do 38 sit-ups. Now, problem is, if you do less than 38 sit-ups and if you don't do it accurately, they can get you disqualified. So make sure you guys know that part. So 38 sit-ups, you have to do it in 1 minute. So do as many as you can, more than 38, obviously. Target 45 at least, so that, because what happens is, if you don't do it correctly, they don't add it, and unfortunately they don't tell you that you're not doing it right. So make sure I'm gonna let you guys know that part. So make sure you do 38 sit-ups in 1 minute, as much as you can. So once you do the sit-ups, they're gonna make you go do a 300-meter sprint. That's how it is. It goes step by step. They're not going to do sit-ups and push-ups. Right after this is a 300-meter sprint. Now, 300-meter sprints, again, you have to complete in 59 seconds, depending on your age. If you're like 40 to 49, 72 seconds. You have to complete it within 1 minute. So make sure you guys know about that part as well. So after you do the 300-meter sprint, you'll have time. You'll give you 3 to 4 minutes, because walking distance to each other. You can drink a little bit of water. Don't drink too much. It will cause problems. So you just drink a sip of water, then go and then do the next part is the push-ups. Now, the candidate will position himself face down to the floor, placing hands to the extreme, the breast position, and keeping legs and back straight, parallel to floor. Candidate will raise himself into the elbow clock and lower themselves approximately 2 inches off. So make sure, if you go on YouTube and click on Cooper Standard, that's what they're following. They will show you exactly how to do a push-up. Do it correctly, because if you don't do it correctly, if you're doing it in a minute, and if you did let's say for example 29 push-ups, and they say no, you only did 29 of the push-ups, you did it wrong, it's going to be very difficult for you. So make sure you guys do the push-ups accurately. Then right after the push-up is a 1.5-mile run. Now, if it's in the NYPD Police Academy, there's 2 choices. You're either going to run upstairs, which is laps. They have 12 laps. So each lap you have to complete in a minute. So that's going to make 12 minutes, obviously, for each lap. And obviously that lap itself is going to be a 1.5-mile run. If not that, then it's outside. If they do it outside, it's 6 laps. So each lap is 2 minutes. You have to time yourself. So each lap you have to complete in 2 minutes. So that's how they do it. So depending on, I just told you the best of the both worlds. I told you the inside and outside. So now you have an idea what they're gonna be making a run. But it's a 1.5-mile run. Your target is gonna be 12 minutes and 38 seconds for the people between ages of 20 to 29. For female, it's 14 minutes and 50 seconds. So make sure you guys know that part. So that's a physical screening test. 80% of people are gonna fail this test because they don't know how to do this. Obviously they have no clue what's going on. On the other hand, I'm telling you what they expect from you. Now you guys know if this is what the physical test is going to be. These are some of the directions It's at the police academy. Obviously you could pause the video, you can see it yourself. The address is 130-30 23rd 22nd Avenue, 22nd Avenue, College Point, New York. It's like the new police academy. Obviously, yes, where it is. You could go by car, by train, whichever is easy for you. Obviously, whatever it is going to be, that's how it is. It's quite simple. It's very simple thing if you know what you expect from you. So guys, if you have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe to my videos. I'll be having more educational, informational videos coming up. Thank you again for watching the videos, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.